This is video number 1 of a 3-part AutoWake deep dive. In this video we will cover turning on and using the basics of the AutoWake system from a surf perspective. Let's get into it. On a Supra, AutoWake is tied to the rider profile. Ideally you want to start by spreading out your passengers evenly around the boat. To select a rider profile, you should touch the rectangle at the bottom left of the screen. For surfing, you should select Swell Surf 1 and then touch Activate. You should now allow the ballast to fill to the proper levels to achieve the rider profile settings. An alternative to this would be to manually fill all ballast to 100% first and then choose the Swell Surf 1 profile. While ballast is filling and adjusting itself, the pitch and roll settings will be orange. While waiting for the ballast to fill after selecting the profile, be sure to choose the side of the wave that you want to surf on. AutoWake will make any adjustments needed, and the pitch and roll settings will either turn green when achieved or give you a pop-up message telling you the adjustments that you need to make to help the system achieve its preset values. When you are ready to go and accelerate up to surf speed, AutoWake may continue to make adjustments until the proper pitch and roll settings are achieved. Or again, if it cannot achieve, it will give you a pop-up message to follow. If people on the boat move or you pick up or drop off people, AutoWake will make adjustments to the ballast system in order to maintain the boat's proper position. Boat positioning, or the way the hull sits in the water, is key in creating a great wave. Should you need to make any adjustments to the wave, it is suggested to make adjustments to your speed and smart plate. The typical speed range is between 10 and 11.5 miles per hour. Slower speeds are normally used when you have a light ballast and or passenger load, or if you just want more of a steeper wave with more push. Faster speeds are normally used when you want a longer and more mellow wave. Wave shape is often personal preference, so experiment with what works best for you and your boat setup. The smart plate can also be used to change the boat's pitch or hull position, which will change the shape of your wave. Running the plate more towards 0% or the up position will let the back end of the boat drop deeper into the water as it is moving and will result in more of a steeper wave with more push. Running the plate at a higher percentage or more of a down position will lengthen and mellow out the wave. Like speed, this is often a personal preference. We suggest starting at the factory smart plate set point and then adjusting from there for your preference and boat setup. We hope that you now have a better understanding of AutoWake and ultimately have a better time on the water creating and riding great wakes and waves. If you have any other questions, we encourage you to contact your servicing dealer. Thanks, and see you on the water.